Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can trigger an HTTP flow in Power Automate. So basically calling a REST API. So if you have a REST API, you can easily call that inside Power Automate. So let's see how to do this. So first you just have to come to Power Automate, and the next thing is you just have to click on this plus create button, select an instant cloud flow, and here you can select whatever you feel like. So I will just select manually trigger a flow and I'll click on this create button. Okay, I'll just dismiss this. Now inside this we just have to click on this plus button over here, and we just have to search for HTTP. Once I have searched for HTTP, I'll just go to this built-in option and I will select this HTTP option over here. Now you have to enter a URL. So there are a lot of free APIs which are available online which can help you to like simulate a REST API. So I will be using this particular API which is JSON placeholder.typeicode.com/post. So I'll just paste that URL over here, and the thing which you see on the screen is the response from that particular URL. So it will be an array, just to show it to you. Here you can see it would be an array, and this is the endpoint. Hopefully you are able to see it now. Anyways, I'll just move it. So we just have to enter that URL over here. So you can enter your own REST API URL over here, and it will be a GET request, but in your case it could be a POST patch as well. So yeah, you will have to change it accordingly. So I'll just keep it GET for now. Once that is done, like I shown you the output, it will be an array of response, right? So if it is an array, I can easily click on this plus button again. I can use an apply to each. You can use a lot of things, but I will just show you apply to each so that we can just loop over all the data. You can use filter array as well, I think. So it's up to you. Just click on this and then click on this particular icon, this flash kind of icon, and here we'll have to select inside HTTP, we'll have to select body. So it will automatically get whatever is the response from our HTTP inside this apply to each. And then I need to suppose I need to get this particular title only from this particular response, like all the titles, and I want to print it. So for printing it, I can just use something called compose, so that I can get hold of all the things which are available. So it is kind of like compose, I think, is basically used for performing some kind of an operation, like simple programmatic operation. So for me, first I'll come over here. Okay, and am I able to see? So here you can see I'm able to see apply to each current item, but if you see, this will print the entire thing. I don't want this entire thing, I only want the title, right? So here you can just manipulate this. So instead of, so here you can see this will fetches the entire JSON object, not the JSON array. It will loop over it all the JSON array, right? And we will keep getting the JSON object, but I only want the title. So what I can do, I can just copy this particular part, then I'll just remove this. I can click on this fx, which is for function or insert an expression. Click on this and just paste that particular thing over here. Now inside this we need the title, so you will have to add this question mark. Again, this is just a syntax of Power Automate, and then inside this square braces, enter quotes and just enter the name of the property which you want, and I'll click on add. So it has added the property for us. Then I can just quickly click on save. Let's just wait. Yeah, then I'll click on test. I can select manual. I can click on test again. I can click on run flow, and here I'll just click on done, and hopefully, so here you can see these two steps have succeeded. So it is just looping over all the response which we have got and printing it to the like it will print like once the thing is done, we can see the output as well. So here you can see this is the output for the first. Now the response for this like differs from time to time, given that this is a public API, it is not created by me. So you might see a different response, but here you can see this is the input. You just have to click on compose, and here you can see this is the output which you are getting. Similarly, if you want to, so this is the first one, right? There are hundreds of items in that JSON array. So you can just click on this, and here you can see this is the second output. Click on this, then it will update it to the third output. So hopefully you got the point. That's how you can call a GET API in Power Automate using HTTP. Thank you for watching. Bye.